Welcome, love. I'm Julia, and this space, this moment, is your sanctuary. Here, we honor the spirit, we honor the breath, and we honor the part of you that is trying its best, even when your mind is loud. Today, we're finding calm during anxiety, not by pretending everything is fine, but by recognizing your spirit is stronger than the storm. Before we begin, settle into a place where your shoulders can drop, where your breath can loosen, and where you don't have to perform for anyone. If you have your incense, your bath salts, your portable ritual kit, you can use them. If not, your breath is enough. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart, place the other on your belly, and breathe, not perfectly, just gently. Inhale slowly, hold and release. Feel your breath move through the places your anxiety tries to control. Feel your chest soften. Feel your jaw drop. Feel your shoulders fall back into their natural place. Now imagine a warm, golden light, soft like morning honey, resting at the center of your chest. This light is you, not the anxious thoughts, not the stress, not the fear, you. Every inhale makes that light expand. Every exhale releases what doesn't belong to you. With each breath, say within yourself, I am here, I am safe, I am held. Let that settle, let that truth rise. Now bring your awareness to your feet. Imagine roots growing downward, steady and ancient. These roots carry your worries into the earth. The earth knows how to hold what you no longer need. Let the tension drain. Let the fear loosen its grip. Let the body remember its peace. Repeat with me gently. My breath is stronger than my fear. I return to myself with ease. I choose calm over chaos. I am protected. I am grounded. I am guided. Take one more deep breath in and release anything that tried to claim you today. When you open your eyes, rise slowly, move gently, carry this calm with you like sacred armor. If you need a deeper ritual or a private guidance session, you can always connect with me. All the links are below. Until next time, my love, take care of your spirit.